doing well. I hope you're doing great. I hope you had a wonderful week or having a wonderful day. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to get my channel push and push. So today I went out for my work celebration. We have our summer drinks. Plus it was my boss's birthday, so we were to All Star to do some bowling, afternoon to eat, just to catch up and have a little, let her hair down a bit and have a good time. So it's different from what I do. So yeah, that's just what I do. Yeah, one of those things. So I just want to show you that I do other things other than, you know, going places. But I hope you all can get like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember that God is love, and you're all here for a short time. We're all strangers in this world, on this land. We are all strangers that are passing through. It's just not our cards yet, but we are all strangers. So let's have a good time. I hope you like the video. Don't come for me on my bowling. But I'm trying, okay? So watch the video, enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to share it with somebody who will laugh at my bowling skill. Please feel free to do that. The next day I had to have something consistent. So I cooked some food because I was going to work the next day and I had to cook something so that my daughter can have something. Right. So, but yeah, it was a good night. I don't do this very often. It's like once a year. So yeah, I went for that. So I came, look at these poses. Look at these So today we have our work celebration and we had a great time. We did. The food was good. We was drinking, having a good time. We bowled, which I am rubbish at, but I managed to not come last. Yay, me. And it was a great evening. We all celebrated. It was my boss's birthday as well. We got him a huge bottle of vodka. He don't know what he's going to do with it. Probably going to sell it or something. But I hope he doesn't get a souvenir in his wine cellar. But saying that to say this, it was a great evening. It was fun. Most of the team was there, not all of them. But we had a fantastic time. Yeah. Enjoy the video. How do you say salute? Hey. Blow it, blow it, blow it. Woo.
You can have the bottom.
No, yeah, one of the two.
This is the gift back for the bottle.
Oh, thank you.
morning, guys. It's a quick one. So I'm making some dinner for later because I'm on my way to work. So I put some chicken in the pot to go to steamer. I've got some water to mix a little bit of some rice. So I want to make a quick dinner because I never can find the lid for these pots. Can you believe that? So I'm just trying to get. So I've got some oil, some plantain here. So I'm gonna cover my pot. I'm gonna cut some plantains up. Right plantains. So with my chicken, I normally put sweet potato because I don't really like potatoes too much. So I use sweet potato. So there we go. That's cooking. Plantain is cooking, and my rice.